Adam here in the Digital Goods Showroom, and I have a great camera kit from Canon that's perfect for families, vloggers, and anyone who loves to travel. Stay with us. So today we're going to do an unboxing and overview of Canon's video creator kit for the M50. The EOS M50 packs a mighty punch in a small package, and what I especially love of this video creator kit is that it comes with everything you need to start creating videos. Okay, so let's head over to the studio and see what Canon provides you with the video creator kit. Okay, here we got the video creator kit from Canon. This is the M50. Let's take a look at what comes inside. First thing you're going to notice is the Videomic Go from Rode. This is going to provide you with better audio quality for your video. And here we have the EOS M50 camera with the 15 to 45 millimeter lens. We're going to open it up and show you all the contents inside in just a moment. And the 32 gigabyte SD card. This is to get started for photos and for video. So let's take a closer look at what comes inside the M50 camera and lens package. When you first open it, you're going to notice that you have the full instruction manual, warranty information, and Canon has an offer for 10 gigabytes of free online photo storage. So if you're looking for something like that, register online with Canon. We're going to set that aside. Canon offers a standard Canon branded neck strap. I definitely recommend looking into a better quality strap, but it's available for free with the camera. Here's the lens, the 15 to 45 millimeter lens, f3.5/6. We'll go into that a little bit more later on. You have the LPE12 battery. You have the LCE12 charger with the prongs that flip right out. It's compact, easy to carry around and plug into the wall. And here it is, of course, the EOS M50 body. It's a beauty. Okay, let's go ahead and take a closer look at this video creator kit from Canon. The Canon EOS M50 features Canon's renowned dual pixel AF. This is the best autofocus system available currently for video shooters on a mirrorless and DSLR camera. It also features iDetect AF, which all you portrait photographers out there are going to love. And taking a closer look at the autofocus system, it features 143 contrast detect AF sensors as well as 99 phase detection points, making this perfect for tracking subject matter and recording video. Since this is the video creator kit, let's talk about some of the M50's video features. Now, this is the first Canon camera that's under $1,000, especially a mirrorless camera, to feature ultra high definition 4K video. It's capable of recording at 24 frames per second. Now, it won't have dual pixel AF, but the autofocus does work well, and you can even pull a high resolution still photo in camera from the video. If you need access to dual pixel AF and faster frame rates, the camera is capable of recording 1080p video at up to 60 frames per second. If you need even finer slow motion video, the camera is capable of recording 120 frames per second at 720p. In addition, you have an electronic viewfinder that's 2.36 million dot OLED viewfinder. This will help out when recording outdoors in bright light when the flip out screen is not viewable. So as I mentioned in the unboxing, the video creator kit provides you with the Rode Videomic Go. Now, this is a directional style microphone with a super cardioid polar pattern. They provide you with the cable to plug directly into the back of the microphone and into the mic port of the camera. Now, what's great about this mic is that it's going to provide you with much better and more clarity in your audio for if you're a vlogger, if you're recording anything in video. But another great feature is the fact that you don't need to install a battery into this microphone, and you don't need to push on. The mic's ready to go when you push record. This is a test with the built-in mics. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Okay, this is a test with the Rode Videomic Go plugged in. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Of course, this camera is equipped with Wi-Fi. It's compatible with the Canon Connect App. Now, this will allow you to transmit your images directly to your smart device, printer, or computer. It will also allow you to control the camera remotely. Not only is it compatible with the Canon Connect App, you're able to connect to the EOS utility, allowing for live view shooting and camera control from your computer. There's also NFC. This will allow you to connect to your Android device really fast and easy. In addition, this is one of Canon's first cameras to feature Bluetooth for constant live streaming for your photos, even when you're taking them. The Bluetooth module also allows you to send GPS data directly from your phone, so you'll always know where that epic vacation photo was taken. But for your convenience, if you don't want to use your mobile device, there's the BRE1. This is a Bluetooth remote that allows you to have control over some of the features of the camera remotely, again, without triggering it with your cell phone. So the lens that's provided with the EOS M50 is the 15-45. Now this is an EFM mount lens. It's a 24 to 72 millimeter equivalent in the 35 millimeter format. It has the STM stepping motor. This is going to give you precise AF that's quiet and fast, great for video and for stills. It also has optical image stabilization. And it's also a retractable design, making it a perfect size lens for this camera. As you can see, this camera is packed with some of the latest technology from Canon, so don't let the small size fool you. This will even surprise veteran shooters with its high quality and precise autofocus. I have no doubt that this video creator kit for the M50 from Canon will be the perfect camera for anybody looking to create excellent content for YouTube or any type of social media. If you have the EOS M50, what's your favorite feature? Leave it in the comment section below. And hit us up with a like button underneath if this video helped you out, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. And remember, if you're in the Miami area, come say hello to us at the Digital Go showroom. Adam here. I'll catch you in the next video.